Good morning students, welcome you in the fourth video lecture. Class 4 Subject English Lesson number 2 Skipping Shoes. In the previous video, I had asked you a question. Question was, do you think Kitty will get permission to come back through fairyland? First of all, I'll tell you the meaning of fairyland. Fairyland is an imaginary home of fairies. Now the question is, do you think Kitty will get permission to come back through fairyland? Yes, because now her mother came to know that she has been changed. She became kind and cooperative. Kitty obliged her mother and her mother was happy to please her. Now come to the last paragraph of page number 15. Permission was happily granted and Kitty trotted away with a basket in one hand, a bundle in the other. Once she had given the sick baby some clothes, the lame girl books, and the old woman money, she felt happy, as people always do when they do kind things. When her mother had given her permission, she helped the poor. She felt very happy. Then she reached fairyland. Now let's see what happens in the fairyland. Kitty soon reached fairyland, which was filled with wildflowers. Kitty wished to rest her aching feet, and immediately her feet folded under her and she sat on a cushion of moss. Then with a thud, a large black cricket landed beside her and staring at her curiously. Aching means having pain and cushion of moss means soft part of small woody plants, and thud means sound made when a heavy object hits something, and curiously means eager to know something. So there she saw very beautiful flowers and she sat on a moss. Then there came a large black colored cricket and started looking at her as it eager to know something. Hello, are you related to my cousin Grasshopper? You took such long leaps just like him, croaked the cricket. Then cricket asked, there are two types of cricket. One is cricket is game and other is this that you can see in this picture. Okay, asked, are you related to my cousin Grasshopper? She said, no, I am not related to your cousin Grasshopper. I am not a grasshopper, but I have put on magic shoes today, answered Kitty, surprised that she understood what the cricket said. And the cricket was very surprised how she is able to understand what I am saying, because she has put on the magic shoes. That's why she was able to understand the voice of cricket. Now let's next paragraph. Oh, it's a midsummer's day and fairies play pranks today, he said. The magic will stay till sunset and then the fun will be over. Because of the shoes, you can understand me and also those squirrels, frogs and butterflies. In this passage, Cricket said to Kitty, oh, today is a midsummer's day and midsummer's day is a festival. It is celebrated in the European countries. It is believed that fairies come to earth on this day. This day is associated with magical happenings. The magic will stay till the sunset. Then the fun will be over. And till the time you can enjoy here. Sure enough, Kitty heard all sorts of voices singing and laughing, and she understood every word. She talked and played with the squirrels and butterflies until tea time. Just then, clock struck 4. Away went the shoes, over the pool, the hill and the road, till Kitty reached home. So, there she enjoyed a lot in the fairyland. But when there was a 4 o'clock in the evening, then the shoes has taken her to her home. Now, next paragraph. The sun will soon set. I must skip while I can, thought Kitty. Once tea was done, she waltzed around the lawn and prettily as then her mother exclaimed, she shall go to dancing school. When she reached home, in her lawn, she started to enjoy again. She started to dance again gracefully. Waltzed means danced. She danced there and her mother was watching her and she thought Kitty should go to the dancing school. Next paragraph. Kitty skipped on, hopping to learn some graceful steps before the day was done. Finally, her mother called, stop now, dear, run up to bed. A few minutes more, began Kitty, but was off like a flash into the bedroom. When she was learning the graceful steps, then the day was over and mother called her and said, Kitty, now it's time to go to bed. She was just going to say, few minutes more, Mama, but the shoes has taken her to the bedroom. Now let's come to page number 17. Here is first question. Why was Kitty in her bedroom in a flash? In a flash means suddenly, quickly, immediately. Answer is because the day was over and with this fun of the magic shoes was also over. Soon the sun was gone and the shoes became common ones, for midsummer's day was over. Now the shoes became the common one. Last paragraph. Kitty never forget the lesson she had learnt. She ran errands willingly, remembered the pretty steps and often thought of the interesting creatures in fairyland. Whenever she allowed to play with them, she hurried away quickly as if she still wore the magic skipping shoes. So, now Kitty has learnt a great lesson. She was recalling the things that has learnt while putting on the magic shoes. She remembered how she ran to do the odd jobs willingly, her pretty steps and the interesting creatures of fairyland. That all were amazing. Now, whenever she allowed to play, she ran as hurriedly as she has worn the magic shoes. So students, what do you learn from the story? We have learned that true happiness lies in helping others. So now you have to read the full chapter again and solve back exercise. And notebook work will be given you in the next video. Thank you.